To make Thai catfish with sticky rice, first wash your hands. Then add uncooked Thai sticky rice to a casserole dish. Pour cold water on top, cover with foil and a tight-fitting lid, and leave it to soak. Pull the leaves off fresh coriander sprigs and carefully chop them in a mug. You'll need these for your rice later. When the rice is soaked, ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. To make the dressing, add soft brown sugar to sweet soy sauce. Give it a stir. Add some water. And you've guessed it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Now, carefully cut the ends off long shallots. Peel off the skin and pop them into a plastic food bag. Peel off the outer layer from a stem of lemongrass. Carefully cut it up and pop the chopped pieces of lemongrass and the rest of the stem into the bag. And give everything a bash with a rolling pin to crush it up. Bash it, bash it, bash it. And remember, you can wash the bag out afterwards to use it again. Now, brush baking paper on a baking tray with olive oil. Ask a grown-up to help you check catfish fillets for bones. If you don't have catfish, you can use any type of white fish and put it on the baking tray. Don't forget to wash your hands after touching raw fish. Now, brush the fish with the dressing and make sure you use it all up. Grind on 4 to 5 twists of black pepper and squeeze the juice of half a fresh lime over the top of the fish. Use a fork to help you get the juice out, just like this. Then sprinkle the crushed shallots and lemongrass on top. Ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you, along with the rice. When the Thai catfish and sticky rice is cooked and slightly cooled, it's ready to eat and looks wonderful. Before serving, stir the chopped coriander from earlier through the rice and serve it with a slice of fresh lime. Yum! This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.